I do feel more prepared for college because of Running Start classes. It's made me feel far more confident in my memory of what I've learned, and it makes me feel like I have a lot more practical uses for what I've learned. The curriculum is set up in a way where you learn more faster, and it definitely improves the value of the learning. What excites me about my program of study is I love to work with computers, and I love the problem-solving aspect. It's not just, oh, we need this computer program to do this specific task. It's more, here's this issue that we have. What's solutions to fix it? What I find unique about Lake Washington is just the environment of encouragement. I'd say that in high school, people have to be there, but they don't particularly have to put in a lot of effort. So when you're at Lake Washington, everybody is there because they want to be there and they want to try, and I feel more encouraged to put in more effort.
At LWTech, students can pursue either an associate's degree or a bachelor's degree in computing and software development, or pursue shorter certificates in IT support technician, web application, or web development.
People in my life has greatly encouraged me to do Running Start here. Running Start has helped me figure out that I am passionate about doing different things, particularly in artistic and creative ways. Like, I would never expected that I would actually like painting, but my teacher has actually helped me understand that I can use my disadvantages to make my paintings look better. And if you only want to pay for the actual career path, then taking Running Start is really good because you just get all those general requirements out of the way and you'll be able to have a running start in going to college. If I knew someone that was considering attending Running Start here, I would tell them that it's far more efficient use of your time and that you'll get a lot more out of it than doing high school. It's also very cheap in comparison. I am looking forward to completing my computer security course, getting certified, and getting my associate's degree. I'm really excited to actually start my classes rather than just completing my high school credits and my general requirements. If you do Running Start, it's free, so you might as well do it.